Hello, boys and girls, and welcome. My name is Chris, and welcome back to Gold Rush the game. Now, we have a goal for ourselves today, which is try to get out of debt. Come on. Come on, don't get stuck on stupid crap. Alright. Now then. This is the third and final video I will be uploading today. They did do some hot fixes. So, one thing they fixed is I'm trying to remember. Give me 1 second here. Gotta look it up on my phone. I know that they they updated the game again. They've done it twice. The first update was they fixed the wavetable so that now it actually holds a full bucket of pay dirt. Again. Also, they updated it. The second update, which I'm gonna test out, was I want to say the small excavator now makes the wash plant full up to 20%, and the big excavator makes it up to 60%. So, okay. Let's see. Where's my small excavator? We'll switch it on. And now, gotta turn this bad boy on. Alright. Crap, I forgot how to do this. Shift, I think? Yeah. Haven't played in a few weeks. Okay, that's a full bucket. That's a good bucket. Yeah, that's a full bucket. And I'm only maxing out somewhere near 40. Okay. Now then. Small bit of a tutorial for you. If you get this game. W and S to control the scoop. G is for to close the bucket. T is to open it. F is to lower the smaller boom. R is to raise it. Or the arm. Yeah, the arm is this. W and S to raise the arm. The small arm is F and R. Y is to close this, and H is to open the door. And Y is to close it. And then if you want to drive forward, shift and space is the parking brake. And S to drive backwards. I kind of have my excavator facing the wrong way. But okay. Back to the task at hand. We'll just leave that like that. I don't think that that's a full bucket. Okay. What the heck? Come on, back up. I have no clue what I got hung up on right there. We'll just kind of keep on digging. I know that there's hidden spots of gold in this game now. Okay. Now then. I do believe next week Saturday. I know next week you're getting a bonus video on Sunday. There's a reason for that. But we're going to keep that secret for now. But Saturday you'll get your normally scheduled video, which as of now looks like it might be Farming Simulator. Due to the fact that I haven't done that on this channel for a little while. Well, a long time really, because it's been a few videos, but a few videos really is a few weeks, so it's been a while. So I'm trying to spend 1 week throughout, or 1 day to throw out a whole bunch of new games. And, well, not a whole bunch. They're games that have been already played and are introduced. but I want to use them myself and try to get myself to a point where I have a bit more pizzazz, in a sense, in my voice. A little more entertaining. A little more hyped up. Which I think I'm personally doing a good job, but I want to make stuff that you guys can laugh at and be proud of, as well as myself be proud of. Okay. I don't think we're gonna hit our goal in like 20 minutes, because I'm trying to make this a half-hour video. Oh, we might. I want that debt paid off, and I don't play this much during the week. I've been off playing another game that already went up by the time that you guys see this. No, this one will be first, I think. No. This one's the last one. Because this one can go up at 7 o'clock. But okay. The goal is to get $51,000 worth of debt relieved. Oh crap, I was in the wrong thing. I wanted to close my bucket, not pull that forward. The one thing I really want to see them do... No, that's not what I wanted. Oh well. Is I want to see that I can put this right in there. Or right in there. That would make me happy. Holy shit! I take it back. We might be getting some gold, boys and girls. Oh my god. Did we really just make that much gold? That's ridiculous. For two reasons. I watched the show for a while there. They would end up with like 30 ounces at the end of their season. I just made that in one bucket. Somebody want to explain this to me? I mean, I just want it explained. I don't want it taken away. But oh my god. Yeah, I can feel they deduced how much this has. I'm gonna go get my little bulldozer. After I move this bad boy around a little bit. Go like this. Alright. We're just gonna come over here and fill this spot in. Okay, apparently we did a little more than just filling it in. Come on, I can't really turn around. Come on. Now we're just gonna push that right there. And put that right there. Okay. I really want to know how much come on. Don't behave like this. Not to me, not today. Come on. Work with me. There we go. This thing likes to have an attitude problem every now and again. I've noticed that. And my hands seem to sometimes want to push the wrong buttons. Okay. Oh, let's see. Yeah, this thing keeps rocking and doesn't like being on that point. I'm gonna have to take it off little mountain that this thing is standing on. Actually, we'll dump this gold. I wonder if will it give me more magnetite than usual too. I think it is. Yeah, it's giving me a lot more magnetite than normal. Put that back down there. Alright. Now we're just gonna move this a little bit. Not what I wanted. A little bit more digging is needed. Oh my god. They did step that up a bit. That's a ridiculous amount of gold. Alright. So we didn't quite hit our goal. We are quite a ways off from so we didn't quite hit our goal of getting the loan gone. But I'm gonna have to call that a video because my headset's starting to hurt my ears. But on a happy note, you got 3 videos today. If you watch all 3 of them. Otherwise, you got 1. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that little notification bell so you can see every time I upload. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See you guys.